In this class, we are going to learn how to manipulate a string as per our requirements. Well, in Automation Anywhere we have a command name string which has subcommands that are used to modify a string, called string operation commands. Now search for the string command. As you can see, we have a total of 14 subcommands. We use these commands based on our requirement. So, let's learn a few of them. If you want to know the purpose of each command, just hover your pointer over the command, and you can see a message with a small description of the command. Okay, now drag and drop the length command. The length command obtains the length of the specified string. Specify the source string over here either through a variable or else just directly enter your text here. I'll go with hello world. As the count will be a number, so create a number variable where you need to store the length of the string. Here the length includes the count of spaces too. Apply the changes. So to display the number in the message box first, we need to convert the number type into a string type, using the toString command. I'll go with the prompt assignment variable. Now drag a message box and enter the string variable that has the value of the length of string, which is our prompt assignment variable. Apply the changes. Save and run the bot. The result will be the length of the specified string. Here we go. The length of the string is 11. Now, let's look into the lower and uppercase commands. A lowercase command converts a source string to lowercase, and an uppercase command converts a source string to uppercase. Clear the workspace. Drag and drop lowercase and uppercase commands. Now specify the source string. And then create a string variable to store the result. For this command, I'll go with lower. Apply the changes and repeat the same thing with upper command, but with a different variable name, say upper. Now display the results using a message box. Well, I'm separating for the variables with a dash, just for the visual purpose, so that they don't look clumsy. Apply the changes. Save and run the bot. As you can see, the first string got converted into lowercase and the second into uppercase. Clear the workspace. Now let's see how the trim command works. Trim command trims all the blanks and spaces from a specified source string. First, let me print a sample string in a message box with spaces. Drag and drop the message box. Now leave 5 spaces and then enter your text, and again make 5 spaces. Apply the changes, save, and run the bot. Here you can see it prints as it is, with unwanted spacings that we mentioned. So if at all a user does this accidentally or else happened in the process of auto-filling, and want to eliminate them, trim command makes it happen for you. Drag and drop the trim command before the message box. Specify the same text we have mentioned at the message box. I'll simply copy and paste the text. Here we have 2 options, say trim from the beginning, and trim from the end. Trim from the beginning option trims only the starting part of the given string, and whereas trim from the end trims only the ending part of the given string. As we need to trim from both the ends, let's select both the options. Now create a string variable to store the trimmed source string. Edit the message box to display the string variable, which is the trimmed value of the source string. Apply the changes. Save and run the bot. Well, you can clearly differentiate between the messages with and without trim command. Trim command trimmed all the starting and ending blanks and spaces. In the same way, we can manipulate a string with other commands. For all of that and more, I'll see you in the next class.